Removing a brain tumor used to require major surgery and a long recovery, but not anymore.
Oklahoma Children's Hospital celebrates a first at their facility, performing a new state-of-the-art procedure on a child. We've got your back, taking you inside the operating room.
Can you bend that knee for me? Bend it up. 12. There you go.
9-year-old Matthew McFeeters works hard in therapy multiple times a week.
There's usually never a day that you see him without a smile.
Incredible when you consider what he's endured: several strokes, cancer, and brain tumors. Matthew has a rare genetic disorder that he shares with his father, neurofibromatosis type 1, which causes tumors to grow in the nervous system.
We've been in and out of children's. We know that like the back of our hand. We've been in and out for 9 years, since he was born.
And it was at Children's where Matthew recently had a brain surgery that was so minimally invasive, he was able to go home the very next day. A routine MRI picked up the tumor in a deep part of the brain that controls speech, language, and cognition.
It was a small lesion before, but it had recently started to grow. And it was in a very sensitive part of the brain.
Matthew's doctors performed stereotactic laser thermoablation, inserting a 1.6 millimeter thick laser fiber directly into Matthew's tumor, then moving him into an MRI.
And the MRI scanner is basically measuring the temperature of this abnormal lesion and the normal surrounding tissue. So we can heat the laser up just enough to treat the lesion. And if we see any normal tissue around it that's starting to get warm, we just turn the laser off.
Matthew was left with just one stitch and virtually no downtime. Now 2 months post-surgery, his mom is thrilled with his recovery.
Nothing's really changed since the surgery. It was so minor and so little that it really didn't really affect anything.
And it certainly didn't affect this little boy's positive attitude.
Up we go. Good job.
Taking on the latest hurdle in his health.
Seeing him like that every day it keeps me going every day for sure.
And you can learn more about this surgery with this story on OKCFox.com.